Oh yeah, they actually work real nice. Noise canceling. Oh, I didn't even see y'all there. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hit the button. What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghost Fighter, 2 T's. And my daughter was just in the picture and she ran away. But this will be the unboxing thumbnail. Oh, here you go, trying to be in my video. She always trying to be in my video since a baby, bro. So look, this is what we got here. My daughter actually tested these, okay? She said they're amazing. They're very comfortable. Quality is amazing. They're called the Tune 510 BTs. They're wireless, pure bass sound, hands-free calls, sans feel. All right, so that's in Spanish. So they're pure bass, wireless JBLs, Bluetooth, Harman JBLs, Dare to Listen. That's what it says on the side of it. Then they have their little, I don't know, the little mark or whatever on the back. And then the other side just shows them. And of course she got the off, I guess, purple pinkish color. It says JBL pure bass sound, Soon JBL pure bass, hands-free call, applies, okay, so they keep putting Spanish right after these. Multiple point connection, lightweight and foldable design. Yes, you're gonna see how they're, when we do this unboxing, you're gonna see how they're designed. I appreciate you guys. Thank you on 5,000 plus. Yes, 5,000 plus subscribers. We out here grinding, y'all. Hard work pays off. Hard work, dedication, consistency. Yes, I didn't say motivation because motivation comes and goes, but consistency is always there. I didn't want to do this video. How you gonna just jump in the camera, put your face in it, ain't got no teeth in her mouth, 7-year-old ain't got no teeth in her mouth, gonna tell me some, like, what's wrong with her? She cutting up, bro. So let's unbox this and let's see what all comes inside. So, and then it's, okay, so this time it's something inside the box. So it comes with this quick guide. It comes with, you know, safety first, not to probably turn them up real loud. This backsplash, which is probably supposed to be like this in the back of the package. And now you see it shows a guy walking. That's how it's supposed to be in the box. But my daughter decided to unopen this before I could do the review on it. So here we are. All right, so bow. I don't know why. Somebody explain to me why JBL decided to do an orange cord. Don't do that. Don't do that, JBL. I know y'all want me to sponsor you guys. If y'all want me to sponsor you guys, please, you gotta get your design better. The orange cord is creased. I don't know why they chose the orange cord. I don't know if that's a thing that JBL does, because I see they got the orange highlighted as their signature JBL logo. I understand all that. It says over 40 hours of time being used. I honestly don't think it's 40 hours. I'll be honest, playing it all the time, all day, you might get 8 hours out of this. That's just me. That's just my, bro, I've been working out. I'm looking real, I'm looking real crazy lately, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to, so you can look from the backside, see through that shows right and left ear. And you can see they're bent up. You can see they're bent. So it doesn't hurt them to be this way. So it's a C plug, okay? Yep, C plug. I don't know why they chose to do the orange. It should be the color of the headphones. It's kind of weird to me, but I guess that's just their thing they do. Whoa, here's another piece that comes with it. And then there you go. So you see how they fold away. They retract and fold away. Boom, 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 boom. So look, so then you can unfold them. I'm gonna give you the price point really quick before I continue on. The price point for these was with my daughter's Amazon Prime. At the time that she got them, I'm gonna say this in the video because every time I do this, people are like, oh, I got these and they weren't that much. I'm gonna explain that now. She got these for about $38, $34, $38, okay? At that time with her Amazon Prime. Now they may go back up to 80 or 90 because the original price of these are over $100, 80, 90, $100. So with shipping and everything, I'm pretty sure they're 100 and something. So you can see they have that awesome design on the inside. Yes, sir. I particularly myself, my opinion, I wouldn't get a light color because I don't like seeing stuff dirty. And as soon as I see it dirty, it's like I don't want it no more. Now you can see it has the power right there, boom. And then it has two lights to let you know that they're on and connected. And then it has a volume up and down. And then it has some settings right here in the middle that you can change the settings on it. And I'll just so we know, it also has this tab open and close, and I'm gonna put the right ear on. Now, for me, I got little ears, but you guys might not have little ears, so these, you might not like these. Now, they don't completely cover the ear like a headset. Some headsets, they cover the entire ear to where your ear is completely inside of it. Now, that depends on the person. I think my daughter, I don't know, your ears might be the same size as mine, but yeah, I mean, I don't have very big ears, so, but they feel nice and they sound like they pump real hard. My daughter said that they are very loud. That's the thing about headsets. You don't want them to be too loud because you really can hurt your ear. But man, look at me, man. I'm looking like a monster lately. Like, I've been getting that gym, man. I hope you guys been watching my videos, man. I've been really grinding out here in these streets. I know I might look a little ashy on my elbows right now. That's because you know what I'm saying? I'm just getting off work. I've been having my elbows on a crane all day. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little, you know what I'm saying? So, bro, what is wrong with her, bro? You are different. Get your tail out of here. So anyway, you can see my little head fits on them nice. You see they cover my ears, and I can already tell without the music on, they're noise canceling. Somebody talking about, oh, there ain't no curtain. They noise cancel. I can tell just by having them on my ears. They fit really nice. They feel good, and they sound really well. My daughter has tried them. She said they're extra loud. Clarity is really nice, and they're Bluetooth. No wires hanging off of you. Awesome. So, with that being said, you guys go get your pair. My daughter recommends them. She said that they're very awesome. Stop being silly so you can go back and look at yourself later. Do that on another video. You ain't got to do it on Daddy video. She got no teeth in her mouth, but she over here trying to do some... Anyway, crazy. The crazy thing about videos, you go back and watch it years and years later and you see how crazy you are. Then you be like, oh crap, why did I do that? Yeah, that kind of thing. So you guys, make sure you guys go check these out. Amazon Prime, $35 to $40 at the particular time my daughter got them with, my daughter got them with Amazon Prime, guys. Remember that. So prices always change. So, but she definitely got them from Amazon. The price may change, but at least you kind of know the price range she paid for them at that particular time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was a very informational video. And maybe this could be the thumbnail. Yeah, go ahead and make a face, Livy. It'll be a thumbnail. Oh, now she don't want to get in here and make a face. Man, I'm out, guys. I'm out with my new thing I got. Yeah, that's my new thumbnail. That's my thumbnail. Y'all, I'm out. Yeah. Oh, it don't want to cut off. Oh, see, bro, you are tripping, bro. What is wrong with her?